In this video, I am going to show you how to watch TNT during your YouTube TV free trial. If you're looking to stream movies, sports, or exclusive shows on TNT, this guide will help you get started. Let's dive in. To watch TNT on YouTube TV, start by signing up for a free trial at tv.youtube.com if you haven't already. TNT is included in YouTube TV's base package, so you won't need any additional add-ons. Once your account is active, download the YouTube TV app on your device or access it via the website. Log in and browse the channel lineup to locate TNT. You can watch live programming such as NBA games, blockbuster movies, or popular shows. Use the Cloud DVR feature to record content and watch it later after your free trial ends. If this video helped you learn how to watch TNT during your YouTube TV free trial, please like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.